put down your sword and you may yet live. Unless you still have some hopeless idea about winning. In case you've forgotten, or if perhaps it didn't occur to you, I'll remind you, Renji, that I too have Bankai. Bankai. Scatter. Senbonzakura, Kageyoshi. A thousand blades rise from the ground, with their scattering infinitely more blades than rise. Impossible to know their numbers. Impossible to even read their path, much less avoid them. Nothing to do but watch as one watches the wind pass, and wait for the blades to pass through you. One can do nothing but stand there, frozen, and then be swept away from this world.